Welcome to the world of ASMR. If you've ever felt a tingling sensation on your scalp or spine while listening to certain sounds, you've experienced ASMR. Today, we're diving into the world of creating your own ASMR videos. Let's get started. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a pleasurable tingling sensation often felt on the scalp and spine. To create an effective ASMR video, we need to understand what triggers it. Common triggers include whispering, soft sounds, visual stimuli like close-ups, and role-playing. Let's talk gear. A good microphone is essential for capturing those crisp, clear sounds. A camera that can shoot in high definition is a must. Soft lighting creates a calming atmosphere, and consider using soundproofing materials to minimize background noise. Your environment is key to creating a relaxing atmosphere. Use soft, muted colors and add elements like blankets, pillows, and soft lighting. Consider using essential oils or playing gentle background music to enhance the experience. Let's explore some popular ASMR triggers. Whispering is a classic, but don't overdo it. Experiment with different voice tones and pitches. Soft tapping, brushing, and scratching can be incredibly satisfying. Remember, it's all about creating a sense of intimacy and relaxation. Editing is crucial for polishing your ASMR video. Focus on audio quality, removing any background noise. Use slow motion and close-ups effectively. Add gentle music or nature sounds if desired, but keep it subtle. Experiment with different video lengths to find what works best for your audience. Consistency is key when building an ASMR channel. Upload regularly, engage with your audience, and experiment with different video formats. Pay attention to viewer feedback and adapt your content accordingly. Creating ASMR videos is a journey of exploration and experimentation. Remember, the most important thing is to relax and enjoy the process. Happy creating. Use a soft, gentle speaking voice throughout the video. Experiment with different camera angles and lighting to create visual interest. Pay attention to audio levels to ensure a balanced sound mix. Encourage viewer interaction by asking for suggestions and feedback. Consider using binaural microphones for an immersive listening experience. By following these guidelines, you can create captivating ASMR videos that will delight your audience.